First, recap po ng last session, which is the Sniper 155 Blue Crew Camp qualifying batch 1, no? One make race, all bikes provided by Yamaha. Fastest so far is Sabalia, followed by Lopez. Third is Arlos Baños. Fourth is E. Balbas. Fifth is J. Fabro. Sixth is B. Calcita. Seventh is M. Rone. Eighth is M. Arboleda. Ninth is A. Almeida. 10th is J. Baltimore. 11th is J. Jovenal. 12th is J. Losada. And 13th on the fastest is J. Reglos. Wow, so it was a big group for the Yamaha Sniper Blue Crew 155 one-make race. So tomorrow, we'll see them again for their qualifying race. Meanwhile, back on track, we having the second batch of the Mio Aerox Blue Crew one-make race. Kanina po yung first batch kasi po malaki po yung grid. So hinati po natin. So may 2 batches tayo. So now we have 7 riders here in the second batch. So on your screen is Antonio Acuña, a customer, a real customer of Mio Aerox. Again, these bikes are provided by Yamaha Motor Philippines with minimal modifications for safety sa racetrack, but mostly 95% stock po ito. So, equal machinery for everybody. And itong Yamaha Mio Aerox natin, meron siyang 155cc Blue Core engine with variable valve actuation, smart motor generation. So, lahat po yan as available. Ito po, not only beneficial sa daily rides and commuting, but as you can see, still reliable and fast sa racetrack. And ang nagpapaiba po sa Mio Aerox is yung kanyang super wide tubeless tires. 110 sa harap, 140 sa likod. Kumbaga, ang tawag nga namin ito yung mga big bike sa mga automatic, no? And so far, kaya malaki ang fan base nito. In fact, ito ang mostly tinatawag na maxi scooter ngayon, no? So, as you can see, the Mio Aerox, hindi lang siya okay pang commute, pang trabaho, pang long ride, no? Pwede rin siyang pang racetrack with very minimal modification. Although po nakikita nyo, kulay racing po ito, kulay lang po yan. Pero po, ang Mio Aerox na yan, nakita nyo po pati tambucho, stock. Yung Sniper po kanina, minodify. Pero po itong Mio Aerox, I think gulong lang ang pinalitan, no? I'm not sure. Pero gusto pakita ng Yamaha na they are built tough for racing and track day. And you can have fun. Tingnan nyo po itong dalawa na to. These are beginner riders po So, pero po dahil sa camp na ginawa ng Blue Crew, komportable po silang mag-race wheel to wheel. Wala po kayo nakikitang mga very smooth po sila pa nagtabi-tabi. Normally po, sign of a beginner na walang masyadong guidance. Pag may nakatabi, nakadiktigan, nagogolat doon. So may semplang, nagka-crash. Pero po pag may guidance rin, katulad po on the screen now, tignan nyo po, nakatutok lang yung isa, pero both are calm, smooth, and both are mindful of the racing lines. And ito po yung pinopromote na dito sa Blue Crew, no? Proper racing guidelines, racing lines, attitude, sabi nga ng mga in-interview natin, yung attitude nila. Yan, even sa tatluhan, para again, this is not yet a race. This is just qualifying time trial where each rider will set the fastest time and that will determine their starting position on the grid tomorrow morning for their qualifying races. Wow! Three abreast ang tawag namin sa racing na yon. Kita niyo po, that's how relaxed they are now. They can enter a corner 3 side by side. So pag sinabi pong 3 abreast sa racing, entering a corner, tatlo po silang pantay-pantay papasok. We rarely see this. Normally 2 abreast lang But again, because of their experience na siguro from Carmona to Card Zone, medyo na talagang natuto na sila. Ito, yung isa, maganda na yung yuko niya. Tignan mo yung nakayuko. Ay, sayang. Kung nakita nyo, pag nakayuko, mas mabilis sa straight eh. Ayan, no? So, apat na sila. This looks like a real race. Look at that. Oh, overtake pa sa outside. So, remember, these are all beginner racers before the Blue Crew Camp. Beginner riders, not even. Kasi walang track record to eh, no? So, these are not racers before. Talagang enthusiasts lang to. Pero look at them now, no? Because of just a few days with the Blue Crew Camp, they are now circulating the racetrack just like experienced racers. Ito, ang ganda ng likod, ang ganda ng form. So, I'm sure makita lang nila yung pictures nila ngayon na matutuwa na sila of their achievement kasi hindi na nakakatawa yung itsura nila. Hindi na mukhang TH yung itsura nila. They look like bona fide racers na. Wag lang nilang gagawin to sa Marilake kasi isa sa mga direction ng Yamaha, that's why they're doing this para ma-discourage natin na gawin ito sa public roads. Dito po, like look at that turn 1, ang bilis na niya. Oh. You can safely do this kasi walang kasalubong, may safety barriers tayo, may marshal tayo. But if you're gonna do that on public roads like sa Marilake, medyo masyado nyo pong isinusugal ang buhay nyo. Dito po wala masyado. Wow, ang galing na nito mag-knee-drag. Who's this? Let's look at the bike number. Huh? Bike number 3, I think this June Erickson Restua. So, which is the fastest rider so far, naturally, no? Siya yung fastest. You can immediately see how he turns smoothly, yung form niya, how he puts his knee down, body position. Kita nyo kung nasaan siya sa upuan, nagli-lean off siya. Look at yung helmet position niya, titingin sa outside muna before siya mag-gas. Yan. So, good job by our John Erickson Restua. Reminder, these are just beginner riders. Kasi po bawal dito ang may track record. So, kumbaga ang Blue Crew Camp na accelerate yung kanilang hobby or career. Look at that, nagbabakbakan. Ito naman si Acuña, Antonio Acuña. Pero tingnan nyo po, hindi nakakaba silang makita magkakadikit. Normally po pag super beginner medyo nakakaba eh. Kasi kulang sa experience. But again, nakatatlong sessions nila with the Blue Crew Camp. So it shows. Sad nga lang because of their numbers, hindi lahat makakatakbo sa finals bukas ng hapon because we have to do a qualifying because we only have a few bikes available. I mean, we have a maximum number of bikes available. Kaya lang, Yamaha give chance to others. So, magka-qualifying session na lang tayo. Yan. Yan si Restua. Nakita mo ang kanyang body position. Oh. So I hope Restua joins our future club and national races habang fresh pa ang mga natutunan nila dito sa Yamaha Blue Crew Camp habang fresh pa. I hope they join our remaining nationals so they can put to work what they have learned in this camp. So being the final leg of the Blue Crew Camp, dito na siguro natutuwa na rin ang Yamaha habang pinapanood ang kanilang mga participants, no? Kumbaga kung swimming camp, yung una hindi marunong lumangoy, by the end of the camp, magaling ng lumangoy. So, same thing with dito sa mga riders na to. Yung makita mo lang na tama yung body positioning nila and yung smoothness on sa pagkuha nila ng kurbada, that's an achievement already. And I think you can be sure na all of these riders will be more safer on the streets and less they'll be less reckless na kasi nasubukan na nila sa racetrack eh. And nothing can compete with the excitement and satisfaction in lapping the racetrack safely kasi hindi nyo po ito magagawa sa street. Okay, so still fastest we have June Erickson Restua and followed by Juan Carlos Serrano. Third is Ramrold Chanco. Fourth, is Fernando Aribon. Fifth is Antonio Acuña. Sixth is Jeffrey Malapaya. And seventh fastest is Erwin Vicencio. Para po sa mga fans ng mga riders na to, mga ganda ng liko niya, oh. Last turn. Nice. So para po sa mga fans ng mga riders na to, don't forget to like and share our live stream. If you're watching this from a Yamaha page, please like and share. If you're watching this from our Inside Racing page, please like and share and help promote this project by Yamaha Philippines for training grassroots riders and jump-starting their road racing career. And like sabi ko po kanina, ito po mga to may connection sa International Blue Crew program ng Yamaha. Ang pinaka-summit po ng Blue Crew Camp is yung Blue Crew World Cup na tumatakbo kasama ng World Superbike Series. And of course, yung mga riders doon ngayon, pinag-aagawan na ng mga ibang Moto2 and World Superbike teams, World Super Sport teams. Wow, what an overtake by Restua. Mukhang ready na si Restua to join the club races and the nationals outside of Blue Crew Camp. And tignan mo, naka-full suit siya. And it helps also if you are in a full suit. Psychologically, you know you'll be safe. That's why you can push closer to the limit if you have complete safety gear. Believe me, it doesn't work for everybody, but it works for all. Kasi wala na yung agam-agam na pag sumemplang kayo, baka matindi ang injury. So if you're in a full suit, you can push harder. But for the beginners, okay rin na ganito like what we can see here na touring pa lang. Kasi beginner riders pa lang. He's just trying to feel racing. So I'm sure if he sees his time improving and mag-enjoy siya hanggang bukas, I'm sure bibili na to ng full suit. And continue this sport of road racing. Yan, Restua. Yan po. Kita niyo yung form niya. Pwede na, oh. Oh. Okay. Sabi nga ng Yamaha, this Yamaha Mio Aerox is designed with the intention of combining excellent design and racing technology. As a result, the fastest automatic with features that complement performance and function. Kitang-kita naman po, tignan niyo po kung paano iliko ni ni Restua yung Aerox. Yan o, look at that. That's a stock bike. So, like we said, racing is the only way that companies can communicate. Look at that on the outside. Oh, inside. Inside, kuha na. Late break. Yun. Mukhang hasang-hasa na si Restua. Ready for the big league na to. And again, this is, I'm sure, ang most satisfied na makita si Restua ngayon is Yamaha because he is a product of Blue Crew Camp. And to see him going fast and correctly, with the correct body form, satisfying po yan. Yan ang product ng Blue Crew Camp. Si Manto naka-yellow suit. Mukhang mabilis din to kasi naka-suit na siya. Okay, this is Acuña, the one in the yellow suit. So So ito, he's still fifth fastest, not as fast as Restua, but he's getting there. Maganda po kasi itong mga bata na to na since na under Blue Crew Camp na sila, nasabi na sa kanila yung mga do's and don'ts. Yun po ang kinaganda ng Blue Crew Camp. Oh, now is up. That's bike number 5. Chanko, no? I was saying, sila po kasi because of the Blue Crew Camp, bago pa dumating sa racetrack, naturuan na sila what mga do's and don'ts. So, it will, kumbaga hindi na nila by trial and error malalaman. Di-share na sa kanila sa Blue Crew Camp through the clinic, the riding clinic, and also the coaching from our star riders, Kyle Paz and Mauricio. So, kaya, kumbaga sa school, na-review na sila, may bound na sila bago sila sumabak. Kaya they will make less errors and naturally less accidents. Yan. Mukhang napofrustrate si who's this on the ano. Baka may nahabol siya. Maybe he made an error. Hindi siya nakakomplete ng magandang time. Okay, we're on the last lap of this qualifying session. Still, fastest is June Erickson Restua, followed by Serrano, Ardibon, Chanco, Acuña, Malapaya, and Vicencio. Sulit na sulit to, 20-minute session. Pagod na pagod din to mga riders na to. In fact, they just did parang parang IRGP distance yon, 20 minutes race time. Parang IRGP na rin yun. So, pagod na pagod din to, which is what the Blue Crew Camp is giving them. More track time, more experience. In fact, sabi ko nga kanina, in-accelerate ng Blue Crew Camp yung kanilang racing career. From enthusiast, medyo to hobbyists to maybe half of them will become serious racers. Okay, on screen is Acuña. We're just waiting for the last few riders to cross the finish line so we can get final results. All right, checkered flag. Okay, here are the results. Batch 2 of the Mio Aerox Blue Crew Camp 1-make race. Fastest lap, June Erickson Restua with a 1:24.561. Second, Juan Carlos Serrano. There's a big gap, 4.3 seconds. Followed by Fernando Aribon. Then Ramrold Ramos Chanco in 5th. In 4th, 6th is Antonio Acuña. 6th is Jeffrey Malapaya. And 7th is Erwin Makiling Vicencio. So, like I said po, batch 2 po ito. Iko-combine po yung kanilang bukas po sila yan ang grid positions nila for their qualifying race. After which, the fastest riders will move up to the final race. Alright? So, yan po. So, even if they are last, may chance pa po sila to join the final and maybe get a podium position. Well, so good job, ride.